Welcome, fellow developers and enthusiasts, to an exciting exploration of Lightning Web Components, LWC. In today's session, we embark on a journey of completing another set of 10 questions and answers on Salesforce Lightning Web Components. Before we take our first question, subscribe to Longswitch Academy to learn and grow with us. Let's jump in. Accessing SObject field values is a common task in Salesforce development. Join us as we explore the getSObjectValue function in Lightning Web Components and discuss how it simplifies this process, making it more efficient and less error-prone. Question number 1. What is the role of the getSObjectValue function in Lightning Web Components, and how does it simplify accessing SObject field values? The best answer for this question would be, the getSObjectValue function is a utility that simplifies accessing nested field values in SObjects. It provides a consistent and easy-to-use approach to retrieve field values, reducing the risk of errors and improving code readability. If the interviewer asks about a practical use case, then you can use the following example. In a contact management application, using getSObjectValue allows developers to access deeply nested fields, such as contact, account, name, with ease, streamlining data access and manipulation within components. Querying the DOM is a powerful technique for web developers. Today, we explore the this.template.querySelectorAll method in Lightning Web Components and discuss how it benefits DOM manipulation, providing precise control over component elements. Question number 2. How can you use the this.template.querySelectorAll method in Lightning Web Components, and what are the benefits of this method for DOM manipulation? The best answer for this question would be, the this.template.querySelectorAll method allows developers to select multiple elements within the component's template using CSS selectors. This method provides precise control over DOM manipulation, enabling batch operations and efficient element targeting. Let's understand this by taking an example of a custom form component. In a custom form component, using this template.querySelectorAll to select all input fields allows developers to apply a consistent style or validation rules across the form, ensuring a cohesive user experience. Keeping data in sync is essential for providing an up-to-date user experience. Join us as we explore the refreshApex function in Lightning Web Components and discuss its advantages for ensuring data consistency across components. Question number 3. What are the advantages of using the refreshApex function in Lightning Web Components, and how can it be used to keep data in sync? The best way to answer this question would be, the refreshApex function is used to refresh the data retrieved by Apex methods in Lightning Web Components. It ensures data consistency by re-executing Apex methods and updating the component with the latest data, improving user experience. Let's see a practical use case for the use of refreshApex function. In a customer relationship management (CRM) application, using refreshApex after updating a customer's information ensures that all components displaying customer data, such as contact details and recent activity, are refreshed with the latest data. Inter-component communication is key to building dynamic applications. Today, we explore the use of the @API decorator on methods in Lightning Web Components and discuss the benefits of exposing methods for parent components. Let's move on to question number 4. How can you use the @API decorator on methods in Lightning Web Components, and what are the benefits of exposing methods to parent components? You can answer it as follows. The @API decorator on methods allows developers to expose specific methods in a child component to its parent. This enables parent components to call these methods directly, facilitating inter-component communication and improving component reusability. If I have to highlight one practical use case, then we can consider a multi-step form. In a multi-step form component, using the @API decorator on a method that validates a specific form step allows the parent component to control form progression, ensuring that users can proceed only when all required fields are properly filled. Handling errors gracefully is crucial for maintaining a robust application. Join us as we discuss considerations for implementing error boundaries in Lightning Web Components and explore how they improve application resilience. Question number 5. What are the considerations for implementing error boundaries in Lightning Web Components, and how do they improve application resilience? The possible answer for this question can go like this. Error boundaries in LWC involve creating fallback UI or custom error handling when an error occurs during rendering. They improve application resilience by catching errors in specific components and preventing them from affecting other parts of the application. Let's consider the example of a complex dashboard application. In a complex dashboard application, implementing error boundaries ensures that an issue in one component, such as a data visualization widget, does not disrupt the entire dashboard, preserving the overall user experience. Before we move forward in this video, I wanted to pause and ask, do you have any questions, suggestions or doubts? If yes, then please feel free to use the comment section to dump your questions, suggestions or comments. We will try to respond to them at the earliest. Thank you for your patience with us and watching the video till this point. Without wasting a second, let's jump on the remaining questions. Inter-component communication is vital for cohesive applications. Today, we explore the dispatchEvent method in Lightning Web Components and discuss how it facilitates communication between components, creating interactive and dynamic experiences. Question number 6. What is the role of the dispatchEvent method in Lightning Web Components, and how can it facilitate inter-component communication? You can explain it like this. The dispatchEvent method allows components to fire custom events, which can be listened to by parent components or other event handlers. This enables components to communicate and share data or actions, facilitating dynamic and responsive applications. To understand the practical use case of this, let's take the example of a shopping cart application. In a shopping cart application, using the dispatchEvent method to fire a custom event when an item is added to the cart allows other components, such as the cart summary, to update and display the latest cart contents. Supporting multiple languages is crucial for a global user base. Join us as we discuss how to implement internationalization, I-18N, and localization, L10N, in Lightning Web Components and explore best practices for creating multilingual applications. Question number 7. How can you implement internationalization, I-18N, and localization, L10N, in Lightning Web Components, and what are the best practices for supporting multiple languages? You can explain it like this. Internationalization in LWC involves designing components to support multiple languages, while localization adapts content for specific regions. Best practices include using custom labels, providing translations for static text, and ensuring date and currency formats adjust based on the user's locale. You can consider the following as the practical use case for the above. In a multinational e-commerce platform, implementing internationalization ensures that product descriptions and interface elements are presented in the user's preferred language, enhancing accessibility and user satisfaction. Programmatic element creation is a powerful technique in web development. In this session, we explore the createElement function in Lightning Web Components and discuss the benefits of creating elements programmatically to enhance application functionality. Question number 8. How can you use the createElement function in Lightning Web Components, and what are the benefits of creating elements programmatically? The best explanation for this question would be, the createElement function in LWC allows developers to create instances of custom elements programmatically. This provides flexibility in dynamically creating components based on user interactions or changing data, enabling more responsive and adaptable applications. The best practical use case for this would be a dynamic dashboard application. In a dynamic dashboard application, using createElement to programmatically create charts or tables based on user selections allows the application to provide a tailored experience, displaying only the data and components relevant to the user's interests. Real-time data synchronization is essential for dynamic applications. Today, we explore the Lightning empApi component in Lightning Web Components and discuss the benefits of subscribing to platform events for real-time data updates. Question number 9. How can you use the Lightning empApi component in Lightning Web Components, and what are the benefits of subscribing to platform events? The best answer to this question would include the following. The Lightning empApi component allows developers to subscribe to platform events and receive real-time updates when events are published. Subscribing to platform events ensures that components stay synchronized with server-side changes, enabling real-time data updates. If I have to mention a practical use case for this, then I would consider a customer service application. In a customer service application, subscribing to platform events using Lightning empApi ensures that agents receive real-time updates about ticket status changes, allowing them to respond quickly and provide efficient support. State management is the backbone of interactive applications. Join us as we discuss considerations for implementing state management in Lightning Web Components and explore how to use state management libraries effectively. Question number 10. What are the considerations for implementing state management in Lightning Web Components, and how can you use state management libraries effectively? You can explain it like this. Implementing state management in LWC involves organizing and managing application state across components, ensuring data consistency and synchronization. State management libraries such as Redux can provide centralized control over state and facilitate easier communication between components. To highlight a practical use case for this, we can consider a real-time collaboration application. In a real-time collaboration tool, using a state management library to manage application state ensures that changes in one component, such as updates to a document, are reflected across the entire application, providing a seamless and consistent user experience. And there you have it, fellow developers. Congratulations on completing another session question and answer on Lightning Web Components. As you continue your journey, remember to apply these insights in your projects, experiment with new techniques, and never stop learning. Together, we're shaping the future of web development with Lightning Web Components, one component at a time. If you found this session valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging content on Lightning Web Components and beyond. Until next time, happy coding, and may your Lightning Web Components shine bright.